How does generative AI learn? Generative AI is a technology that creates new content based on the vast amount of data and information we encounter daily. To understand how generative AI learns and develops, it is essential to examine its fundamental principles and processes. First, generative AI is trained on large-scale datasets. These datasets can be provided in various forms, such as text, images, and audio, and the AI model learns patterns and rules from this data. For example, an AI model trained on text data understands the structure of sentences, the meaning of words, and grammatical rules, allowing it to generate new text. The learning process of generative AI can be divided into two main stages: pre-training and fine-tuning. In the pre-training stage, the AI model learns general language models based on large-scale datasets. This stage involves using general language data, rather than data specific to a particular task, to help the model understand the structure and patterns of language. For instance, a generative AI model might learn the rules and patterns of language by training on millions of documents. After pre-training, the model moves to the fine-tuning stage. In this stage, the pre-trained model is adjusted for specific tasks. For example, the model might be fine-tuned for text generation in a particular domain, image generation, or translation using task-specific data. This optimization helps the model perform exceptionally well in specific tasks. Generative AI utilizes various algorithms and techniques during its learning process. One of the most prominent examples is the transformer architecture. Transformer is highly effective in understanding the context of language and learning patterns. This model analyzes the relationships between each element of the input data and generates new content based on these relationships. For example, GPT-3, a text generation model, uses the transformer architecture to understand context and generate natural sentences. A key element in the learning process of generative AI is the diversity and quality of data. By training on diverse datasets, AI models can produce richer and more creative content. Additionally, the quality of data is crucial. A model trained on high-quality data can produce more accurate and reliable results. Therefore, collecting data from various fields and topics and refining them to create high-quality datasets is essential for improving the performance of generative AI. Generative AI continuously receives feedback and improves during the learning process. User feedback is crucial for evaluating the model's performance and identifying areas for improvement. For example, if users provide evaluations of the generated content, the AI model can use this feedback to continue learning and enhance its performance. As a result, generative AI can provide more accurate and reliable results over time. In conclusion, generative AI learns through pre-training and fine-tuning processes based on large-scale datasets. It uses effective algorithms like transformers to understand the context of language and generate new content. The diversity and quality of data, along with user feedback, are vital elements in enhancing the performance of generative AI. As generative AI continues to evolve, it will bring innovative changes to our lives and be increasingly useful across various fields.